Hello, welcome to Easy Math channel. If 243 power x is equal to 729, then what's the value of x here? Let's look at this exponential equation. Look at the left side and look at the right side. 243 is the same as 3 to the power of 5 bracket x. This is equal to 729. 729 is the same as 3 power 6. Here we will apply the exponential rule, which states that a power m bracket n is equal to a m n. So we multiply the power inside the bracket by the power outside the bracket. So 3 to the power of 5 times x, 5x. This is equal to 3 to the power of 6. Now we have the same base. So we look at the powers which are equal. So 5x is equal to 6. We divide both sides by 5. 5 is cancelled with 5. So x is equal to 6 over 5. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Goodbye.